Guess who's not feeling it today? Yeah, so I have like all these plans and like videos and stuff, and I can't focus on that today. Do you see this house? It's a mess. Do you see it? It's disgusting. We gotta clean up. We gotta do another speed cleaning video. I'm sorry. Actually, a lot of you people like it, so thanks for that. I get to get 2 birds stoned at once. Might as well do some cleaning and a video, and at the same time, just together. I don't know. Let's go.
Oh my Lord, she said something about being stoned, and I just don't understand.
Before y'all say that, don't you think killing them would be worse than being stoned? Don't you think that's worse? I feel like it's worse. Little birdies shouldn't have to die. Update. The dishwasher is full, so I'm gonna run these, finish up hand washing the ones in the sink, and then once these have ran its course, I can take the ones in the sink and put them in the dishwasher. I have explained in the past why I hand wash my dishes before I put them in the dishwasher, but in case you didn't see that explanation, I like to have them extra clean. I just feel like they're more sanitary if you get all the food bits off of them first. And then also my dishwasher was probably made before I was alive, so it could probably use the extra help. So just want to give you guys an update in case you're wondering why I'm not putting them in the dishwasher. You understand, okay. Let's just try this again, okay? actually isn't Windex. It's basically just vinegar and water. I ran out of my normal cleaner and there was just like a tiny little scotch of Windex in the bottom, and I just added in some vinegar and water, and it's gonna get me by until I can get to the store. Anyway, whatever works. I know I say this every time, but I really hate laundry. If you guys have been watching my channel for a little while, then you know that I like to fold laundry the KonMari way. And you probably noticed that I didn't fold all of the laundry the Marie Kondo or KonMari way. And that's just simply because it takes a lot of time, and my kids and my husband, they don't really care. So I actually stopped folding their laundry that way. I only fold my laundry the KonMari way now. It's just easier. I get done 10 times quicker than I did before. It's totally worth it if you want to fold yours that way and everybody else's that way. It looks so much better in your drawer, but I just can't. I just really can't. Being that folding laundry is my least favorite chore of any other chore, adding those extra steps, it just didn't make sense for me. It was not bringing me joy anymore. But as far as my kids and my husband, yeah, they could care less. I just wanted to explain that to you in case you were confused. Anyway, I hope this was super motivational for you guys. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You're my favorite. Peace and love.